Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, but I know that no matter what season, many people around the world are suffering from constipation. This week I will show you massages that you can do on the throne when you're ready to go, but it's not quite coming. At any point, if you feel severe pain, stop doing it. If the pain doesn't go away for a long time, please go see a doctor. Press and circle in a clockwise direction to activate the entire large intestine. Large intestine has ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, and rectum. It moves the fecal matter in a clockwise direction. Just press lightly as you make circles. Do this 30 times as you breathe deeply. Notice if there's any part that is tight or hard inside. I have a friend who has a severe constipation. She can feel the fecal matter stuck inside and moves it from the outside in this direction. Lift your heels and bend forward with the knees higher than hips. When you have 35-degree angle between the back and the thighs, it relaxes the muscles around the rectum. As a result, the rectum straightens and opens up for a smoother evacuation. This is said to be the natural squatting angle. So when you're pushing, lift your heels to make it easier to push. If you have a toilet stool like squatty potty, it's so much easier to achieve this angle. If you don't have a toilet stool, use something to make the angle. I happen to have a planter nearby, so I will use it. Rub the sacrum, which is the triangular bone at the base of the spine. Or tap the sacrum. Do it for 30 seconds. If you're tight, you can use the back of your hands to rub or tap the sacrum. Since you're ready to go, I will focus on moving the fecal matter closer to the exit in the sigmoid colon and rectum. To stimulate the sigmoid colon, which is next to the hip bone on the left, place your fists by the hip bone on both sides. The right side is a bonus, as it will stimulate the ascending colon. Take a deep breath and bend forward as you breathe out. Hold for 5 seconds. Come back and rest for 5 seconds. When you bend over, keep your back straight by looking at the front rather than rounding your back by looking down. For more pointed stimulation, use fingertips to press as you bend. You can gently shake up and down or make circles as you press. Repeat if you feel it's helping. To stimulate the rectum, which is a little bit above and behind the pubic bone, place your fists above the pubic bone. Take a deep breath and bend forward as you breathe out. Hold for 5 seconds. Come back and rest for 5 seconds. For more pointed stimulation, use fingertips to press as you bend. You will be pressing the bladder in front of the rectum and makes you want to go, but you're already on the throne, so it shouldn't matter. You can gently shake up and down or make circles as you press. I have done quite a few videos showing different approaches to relieve constipation, and I have a playlist. If one doesn't work, you can try another. There's no one method that works for all. It's good to try different methods and know what works the best for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.